Many jobs you see today can now be done by AI in minutes. What takes hours for a person can take seconds for software. If you learn the right tools, you can save time, reduce costs, and even start earning online without hiring anyone. The first tool is ChatGPT. This tool can write articles, emails, scripts, product descriptions, and even code. Many businesses pay writers to create content every day. Now, AI can do most of that work. You simply open the tool, type what you need, and give clear instructions. For example, you can say, write a 1,000-word blog post about fitness for beginners. In seconds, you get a full draft. You can edit it and deliver it to clients. Freelancers use this to run content agencies alone. Small business owners use it to handle customer messages and marketing copy without hiring staff. The second tool is Midjourney. This tool creates high-quality images from text. Companies pay designers for social media posts, ad creatives, and thumbnails. With this tool, you type a description like modern office with sunset lighting, and it generates professional images. You can sell digital art, create book covers, design t-shirts, or offer thumbnail services to YouTubers. To start, you enter a text prompt, adjust style options, and download the image. It saves design time and removes the need to hire a graphic artist for simple projects. The third tool is Pictory. This tool turns text into videos automatically. Video editors normally charge high fees. With this tool, you paste a script, and it creates scenes, adds stock footage, subtitles, and background music. Marketing videos, or short ads. Many people run faceless YouTube channels using tools like this. The steps are simple. Paste your script. Choose a template. Let the AI generate the video. Download and upload. This replaces basic video editing work. The fourth tool is 11 Labs. This tool creates realistic voiceovers. Companies usually hire voice actors for ads and explicable videos. With this tool, you paste text and choose a voice. You can use it for YouTube videos, audiobooks, training videos, or sales pages. This saves money and speeds up production. Content creators use it daily to automate voice work. The fifth tool is Shopify AI. This helps you build and manage an online store. In the past, you needed developers, product writers, and marketers. Now, AI helps generate product descriptions, email campaigns, and store designs. You can choose a theme, upload products, and let AI write descriptions for you. Many beginners use this to start dropshipping stores without hiring a team. It reduces setup time and lowers costs. These tools do not mean humans disappear, but they reduce the need for large teams. One person can now do the work of 5. That means more profit and more control. If you are a beginner, start with one tool. Practice daily. Offer simple services online. Then slowly combine tools to build a system. The faster you adapt, the more opportunities you will see. AI is not the future. It is already here. The question is simple. Will you use it or ignore it? All the tool links are available in the description below.